Okay, quickly let's go to how we can target people that has money to pay. One thing is that even as people are crying that there is no money in Nigeria, there is no money, there is no money, there is money. There are people that holds money. Money moves from one person to another. If some people are suffering, it means that money has moved to certain group of people. For instance, during the lockdown, during coronavirus lockdown, that some people cannot go to work, and some people were suffering, they were going hungry. Meanwhile, there are some other people that are there that were very happy that the money has gone to their own side. Maybe by reason of their products, they were able to harness that lockdown and they were making a hell of money. So these are the people you are going to target. So those people that has money now, that the money has moved to their own side by reason of the kind of product that they have, they will now be spending money on Facebook. They will be spending money to buy things. They will be enjoying themselves. So you are going to be targeting those kind of people. You are going to be targeting people that holds the money at the moment. So you are going to go to Ad Manager. You click on this icon here. You see Ad Manager here. Simply click on it, and here you are going to create a new ad. So I'm not going to teach you how to start afresh now. In case you have not known how to start creating your account, I have a course on that. Make sure you get that course. Here I want to assume that you have already known the basics of running ad. If you don't know the basics of running ad, I like you to get my Facebook and Instagram advertising course so that you can have some background before you come here. Here I now assume that you already have some basics, so I'm not going into detail on how to start. I have already created that course. Alright, now if that is in place, I can now select conversion and hit continue. Then I will give my campaign a name. Let's say I'm selling shoe. I can shoe campaign. Then I'm going to click next. The ad set, I'm going to give it a name. Shoe set. Then under conversion event, I can choose view content. I can choose lead. I can choose purchase. Whatever you want to choose is up to you. Then under budget, daily budget, I will select 3,000 naira. Then under audience, I will select 27 and above, because below 27 they are still in school. They may not have money to buy. They will only look at it, so I don't want them. Okay, then you can select your gender here. If you want men, only men, you select this. If you want women, you select this. If you want both male and female, then you select all. Then here you are going to type the interest you want to target. Let's say I want to target people that are interested in shoe. Okay, you can see shoes interest. If I select it now, you see that the current size is about 989. million people are interested in shoe. Wow, that is a big population. Let's be sure that we have selected Nigeria. Okay, we have selected Nigeria. Okay, now that you have selected this, the next thing we are going to do is we want to narrow it down to people that hold money, people that have money to buy. We are going to click on browse and we are going to select behavior. Then we are going to click on digital activities. We are going to select Facebook payment users 30 days, or alternatively we can also select this. So if somebody has made a purchase for the past 30 days or 90 days, that person holds some cash. So that is the kind of people we want to target, people that hold cash. So as I select that number, now you can see the number of people has reduced to 16 million. So that 16 million is still too big. So we can still narrow it down. If you still want to narrow it down, you can still narrow it down. But let's stop it at this level for now. Okay, I hope you get some value from this. If you do, make sure you give me a feedback. I will appreciate that so much. Thank you for watching this video and see you in the next video. Bye.